This is holy ground.
Special guests and media members took a tour of the new Red Cliffs, Utah temple, which has been under construction in St. George since 2020.
So I could enter in.
As one of the largest church congregations in the world, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints continues to grow its following and temples.
My understanding is this will be the 189th temple that will be dedicated, and that'll be dedicated on Sunday, March 24th. And we have about 330 temples that are either in operation or under construction or that have been announced, with more to come.
It's the second temple to be built just 5 miles from the original St. George Temple. The Red Cliffs, Utah temple supports 3 floors and a basement and dozens of rooms for its members' holy and sacred services.
This is a larger temple. I think it's about 96,000 square feet. But again, that's to accommodate the membership and just the thousands of faithful members that are here in St. George.
Those members who will be assigned to attend here will mostly be on the east side of I-15.
Hurricane and La Verkin down, well, certainly here in St. George, down to Kanab, and actually down to Page, Arizona as well.
A husband and wife team originally from Puerto Rico, Nuria and Hugo Martinez, will also serve in the new temple. They joined the tour and were impressed by what they saw inside.
I couldn't appreciate well the desert landscape when I first arrived here, because I mean our island is lush tropical, so I couldn't appreciate it. But as we've been here, and especially going through this temple where they have the bear claw puppies and the Indian paintbrush and the succulents included in the ambience and the atmosphere, I come to appreciate that there's beauty in the desert too.
And think of the members and the blessings that they will have. 2 temples in St. George, so that they will be able to attend more frequently and be able to ponder on the laws of our Savior Jesus Christ, His restored gospel. So I just feel great joy for them.
Where love and peace abounds.
Those church members who toured the Red Cliffs, Utah temple for the first time were reminded of their ordinances, covenants, and sealing of their own marriages. It is here where members come to be bonded to their families into eternity.
From the minute that we walked into this temple, we noticed that the carpet had purples and greens, lavender and green, and those were I turned to Scott and I said, "Does this look familiar?" And you said,
"Yes, it was our wedding colors. I passed the test after 40 plus years of marriage."
Yes, exactly.
When you enter the Red Cliffs Temple, you'll feel at home. You feel and you see the colors of the desert. You see the bear claw poppy. You see those cottonwood trees, and certainly some of the artwork depicts landscapes that are beautiful, those beautiful red cliffs that we find here in southern Utah.
It's been a great view to look at every day, but now that it's open, I'm so excited that we have the blessings of the temple, and not only the blessings of the temple, but that it's so close and so accessible to us.
And our whole town is getting so giddy about it because we're so excited to have a temple here. It's just another symbol of heaven on earth. It's just a place that I find so much peace in.
The angel Moroni can be seen blowing the trumpet high atop the Red Cliffs, Utah temple, but is not seen on all temples.
But it has scriptural significance, actually, from the New Testament in the book of Revelations. It talks about another angel who would fly, trumpeting the everlasting gospel. And so we believe that the heavens are open and that God lives and that He speaks, and He speaks today.
Church members expect to have about 300,000 visitors during the open house beginning this week.
And so you can just go to the Red Cliffs Temple, like Red Cliffs Utah Temple, open house. You Google that, you'll find the website and can make a reservation. Or again, if you don't have a reservation, the temple is open to the public. We want to invite everyone to come.
In St. George, Utah, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.